Okay, let's look at this Study Link 6.5 treasure hunt for 4th grade. And we are using our knowledge of grids and directions and turns to find a treasure buried on this map down below. But there's a couple things we need to figure out first for this. And the first one is when they have here words like clockwise, what does that mean? So let's look at this clock over here. And all three hands of the clock turn the same way. They all turn in the same direction, which is this direction. They turn like this, and we call this clockwise. Now the opposite of clockwise, there's two ways to say it. One is called anti-clockwise, which I think is common in many parts of the world, but I think in America, and I'm not sure where else, we use counterclockwise. And that just means the opposite direction. So counterclockwise would be like this, going that way. The other concept we need to understand here is about turns. And to do that, we can look at a circle, but basically like all the way around a circle is a full turn or 360 degrees. So if like a snowboarder goes off a ramp and turns all the way around, it's called a 360. But we can split that up to
Mr. Lewis.
Into quarters. So a quarter turn like this is going to be just that much, or 90 degrees. A half turn would be turning halfway around the circle. These are all clockwise, by the way, or 180 degrees. And then finally, a 3/4 turn, you're turning 3/4 of the way around the circle. So if I started, let's say here, I'm going 1, 2, 3/4 away the circle. Again, that would be clockwise there. And that's going to be 270 degrees. So this is what we need to know to properly work our way around this treasure map here. So if we go back here, the beginning part I think is pretty simple. Start at the dot under the tree. Okay, it's right there, yeah. And face north. North is here. You can use this to help you. And you're going to walk 4 steps. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the first step. Second step, make a quarter turn clockwise. So we're facing this way, but I'm going to make a quarter turn clockwise, and suddenly I'm now facing this way. And we're going to walk 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still facing this way right now. That was step 2, okay? Step 3, they're just telling you to face south. Okay, so we're gonna face south and go 2 steps. 1, 2, there we are. Now they're just telling us to face east. So here we are. We're now gonna face east, and we're taking 2.5 steps. 1, 2, right in the middle there. 2.5 steps. That was step 4. Okay. Step 5. Make a 3/4 turn clockwise. So I'm going to turn 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to be facing this way. And now I'm going 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up there. And what do we have to finish? Oh no, not finish yet. We did that one. Hold on. Now we have another 3/4 turn clockwise. So I'm facing here. I'm facing up. 3/4 turn clockwise would be 1, 2, 3. Now I'm facing this way. And I'm going to walk 6.5 steps from there, and you're going to mark your spot with an X. So let's see. I hope I did this right. Let's see. We're going north. 4 steps there. Quarter turn. 5 steps. Done. South, 2 steps, easy. East, 2.5 steps, easy. We're facing this way. 3/4 turn. Yeah, we're good there. Then we're another 3/4 turn. And that away. And then you can finish it on your own. Okay, that's it for this part. There's also some division. Let's look at that just real quick. And let's do partial quotients or the big 7 method. So I'm going to do 88 divided by 3. And I know that 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 20 would give me 60. I'm going to start with that. 3 times 20 gives me 60. And I have then 28 left. And I can go now. I know I can get to 27 if I do 3 times 9, so I'm just going to do that. And then my answer is 29. Remainder, 1. Why don't I also try number 11, putting 5 into 934, and start with a nice even number, 100. And I've got that much to go. Now, if I do another 100, it's going to be too much because I only need to go to 434. So what you can be asking yourself here is, can you get to 400? 5 times what would give you 400? So I'm going to do that, and I know 5 times 8 is 40, so I'm going to go 80. Now I've got my 400. And now I'm trying to get to 30. 5 times what is 30, which is going to be 6. And now I'm done. The answer is going to be 186 with the remainder of 4. And you don't have to do it just like this. You can multiply whatever numbers you want to, just until you get up to the right answer. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.